Okay guys, quick walk around of the PC200 lathe before I strip it down. All I've done at this point is remove the old PC from inside of it. This machine has seen very little use. It is in pretty good condition. The hood is damaged. There should be a polycarbonate hood that covers over all of this. I need to make a new one of those. Around the back, on the back here we have the electronics compartment. I'll open that up and show you inside, and I'll show you what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of. This is the electrical connection panel. I'll be keeping some parts of this, and I might make a new panel to go on there to clean it up. And this is the current pendant. I quite like the look of it, however it's not compatible with the new controller, so I'm going to have to change that with a more modern one. Some of the plans I have for this machine is to replace the motion controller which is inside the PC with the Masso drive, as I've already stated. Some other things I'd like to do is replace these X and Z drivers. These are my servo motor drivers for the X and the Z axis. This machine does have servos, not steppers. I'd like to replace the spindle motor drive because at the moment it outputs 150 volts and the spindle motor is capable of handling 180, and it is quite underpowered. This card here is for operating the 8-position tool turret. That will all be replaced by the Masso and its internal logic. So Jatinder, who runs Hind Technologies, will write a macro to operate the tool changer. This board here is no more than a distribution board. It's not the motion controller. The PC tells this board what to do, and then all of the other components plug in here. All of this stuff will be removed, and in this cabinet I will only have a Masso controller, my two axis drivers, which are both going to be Gecko drives, which are very small, and obviously the cooling fan is going to have to stay there. My spindle motor drive, I think at this point in time, is going to go in this hole here where the transformer is at the moment, because I won't need a transformer. There will be the switch mode power supplies, which are much better suited to modern controllers.